Hi everyone, I am Ankush Bhati, rank 238 in UPSC Civil Services Examination 2018. I am here to discuss my experience with this exam for the last 2 years and how did I manage to make it to the list finally. Here I am going to discuss with you the strategy that I have followed for essay and how did I manage to get a 138 in the essay. See, this is considered to be a okay to fine score in essay this year, and my strategy goes like this. First of all, I want to tell you that essay is not a mechanical pursuit. Neither it's an open canvas where you can write anything that you want to write. It's somewhere in the middle. You do not need to follow a particular pattern, but you can't be you cannot write anything that you want to write. There is certainly a pattern that has to be followed, but the pattern that you follow needs to be your own. There is a unique writing style of every person, and the pattern has to be maintained based on that unique writing style. You will have to customize the framework according to your needs. Introduction, body, and finally the conclusion. These are the three things which are to be written in any essay, but what to write inside the body has to be your decision. So never ever try to blindly follow any toppers, never follow blindly any teachers for that matter, because if you do that, you will start making the essay a mechanical pursuit and it will kill the essence of the whole essay. So try to be original in an essay. That was the first point. Secondly, how to prepare for essay. See, you cannot prepare for essay in 1 day or 1 week or 1 month for that matter. You will have to prepare for the essay on the very first day when you started preparing for the UPSC Civil Services. First thing to do is read the editorials of the newspaper, either Hindu or Indian Express, very religiously, and try to make notes of these editorials, because ultimately your aim is to achieve the level of writing which is equal to an editorial of a daily newspaper. So read the editorial carefully and try to make notes in your own words. You have to try to concise down all the matter that is given inside the editorial. For example, if an editorial is for 500 words, try to concise it down to 100 or 150 words. That will initially look like a very hectic task, very tough task, but as you move on into the preparation, this will become very easy and this will bear you very good fruits at the end. This will help you in the GS writing also, in the mains, as well as it will help you in the essay particularly. While you do so, while you are making notes, do make note of the new vocabulary words that you are learning. Do make note of any phrases that you liked in the editorial, because ultimately it will be used in your essay writing in the mains exam. So this has to be an organic process, evolution. You will evolve in this process and you will be able to write a very good essay at the end. The third thing that I want to tell you is that you have to cover all the dimensions in an essay. If a topic is given, suppose there is a topic about women empowerment, so there might be 10 to 12 dimensions to this topic. There would be social dimension, there would be political dimension, historical, cultural, and likewise there can be any number of dimensions to the topic. Try to cover as many dimensions as you can cover in the essay. Have a passing touch over each and every dimension and do not get into the details of any particular dimension. So try to make your essay as broad as you can, so that the examiner gets to know that you have a considerable knowledge about all the dimensions. So the essay writing part is this much, and I hope that you do good in essay. Thank you very much.